Top 10 things to do in New York City, USA. Welcome to New York City, the city that never sleeps. A bustling metropolis filled with iconic landmarks, diverse cultures, and unforgettable experiences, NYC deserves a top spot on your travel bucket list. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, the Big Apple promises moments of magic at every turn. In this video, we'll dive into the top 10 things you simply must do in New York City. Our journey begins with one of the most recognizable skyscrapers in the world, the Empire State Building. As you approach this architectural marvel, you can't help but feel the pull of its grandeur. Standing tall at 102 stories, this building is a symbol of NYC's visionary spirit and resilience. Take the elevator up to the observation decks on the 86th or 102nd floors. From here, you're treated to unbeatable views of the Manhattan skyline, stretching well beyond the city towards Connecticut, New Jersey, and beyond. For the most breathtaking experience, visit at sunrise as the city wakes up or at sunset when New York's skyline is painted in golden hues. This is more than just sightseeing. It's about witnessing the city's heartbeat from above. The Empire State Building is a bucket list essential for anyone visiting New York City. Amid the towering skyscrapers and bustling streets lies Central Park, a serene retreat that feels like a world away from the city's intense pace. Spread across 843 acres, Central Park provides endless opportunities to relax, explore, and reconnect with nature. Stroll along picturesque pathways, row a boat across the calm waters of the lake, or simply sit on the great lawn, soaking in the beauty around you. Don't miss Bethesda Terrace, where the steps and fountain look straight out of a movie, or Belvedere Castle, offering panoramic views of the park. Each season brings its own charm to Central Park. In autumn, golden leaves blanket the ground. In winter, snow transforms it into a magical wonderland. And in spring, blooming flowers burst with color. Visiting Central Park isn't just a walk in the park, it's pure inspiration. Next up is the vibrant energy of Times Square, often called the crossroads of the world. This dazzling epicenter of lights and activity captures the fast-paced magic of NYC like nowhere else. Billboards and neon signs illuminate every inch of this iconic square. Street performers, costume characters, and bustling crowds create an atmosphere of endless energy, making you feel part of something extraordinary. Even if you're just passing through, the spirit of Times Square stays with you. For a quieter experience, consider visiting early in the morning or late at night. But no matter when you go, this electrifying landmark is a must-see for every traveler's NYC bucket list. Spanning the East River and connecting Manhattan and Brooklyn, the Brooklyn Bridge is an architectural masterpiece and a testament to NYC's history. Walking across this iconic bridge allows you to truly appreciate its beauty and scale. Start your journey on the Manhattan side and soak in the view of the city's skyline. Don't forget your camera. Every step offers photo opportunities you won't want to miss. The bridge is especially magical at sunrise or sunset when the city is bathed in soft light. Once you've crossed, explore Dumbo, a trendy Brooklyn neighborhood where cobblestone streets and waterfront parks offer fantastic views of the bridge and cityscape. This experience is a blend of history, culture, and sheer awe, essential for any traveler seeking to understand the soul of NYC. No visit to New York City is complete without exploring its rich cultural heritage, and there's no better place for that than the Metropolitan Museum of Art. Known simply as the Met, it's one of the world's largest and most prestigious art museums. Once inside, prepare to be amazed by the sheer size and variety of its collections. Marvel at ancient Egyptian artifacts, wander through galleries of European masters, and discover modern masterpieces. The Met isn't just a museum, it's a journey across time and cultures. Take your time here. This is a place to reflect, explore, and find inspiration. Whether you're interested in art, history, or architecture, the Met offers a transformative experience you'll never forget. A beacon of hope and freedom, the Statue of Liberty is one of the most iconic symbols of the United States. Standing proudly on Liberty Island, this awe-inspiring monument has welcomed travelers and immigrants for generations. Hop on a ferry from Battery Park to reach the Statue of Liberty in Ellis Island. On Liberty Island, you can admire Lady Liberty up close and even climb to the pedestal or crown for stunning views of the harbor. A visit to nearby Ellis Island is equally moving, where you'll learn about the immigrants who shaped America's history. This excursion is not just a sightseeing experience, it's an emotional journey through the dreams and struggles of those who arrived seeking a brighter future. For many, this visit is the highlight of their NYC trip. New York is a city of neighborhoods, and Chinatown and Little Italy are two of its most vibrant and flavorful destinations. These cultural enclaves celebrate the rich immigrant heritage that makes NYC so unique. In Chinatown, lose yourself in bustling streets filled with traditional shops, colorful markets, and authentic Chinese cuisine. Whether you're savoring dumplings or sipping bubble tea, every bite is a celebration of culture. Just a short walk away, you'll find yourself in Little Italy. Here, charming streets lined with red checkered tablecloths beckon you to enjoy classic Italian dishes like pasta, cannoli, and espresso. These neighborhoods are more than just places to eat. They're living histories, brimming with the stories of the people who built them. Explore them with an open heart and an empty stomach. For a moment of reflection and remembrance, visit the 9/11 Memorial and Museum in Lower Manhattan. This profound site honors those who lost their lives in the tragic events of September 11, 2001, and inspires hope and resilience. The memorial pools, built in the footprints of the fallen Twin Towers, are surrounded by the names of the victims, etched into bronze panels. Their cascading waters offer a sense of peace amid the bustling city. Inside the museum, visitors can explore exhibits that tell the story of that fateful day, paying tribute to the bravery and strength of countless individuals. This is more than just a landmark. It's a powerful reminder of community, courage, and the enduring spirit of NYC. No trip to New York City is complete without experiencing the magic of Broadway, the pinnacle of live theater. From world-famous productions like The Lion King and Hamilton to smaller experimental shows, there's something for everyone on Broadway. Stepping into a theater here feels like entering another world. The lights dim, the curtain rises, and you're swept away by unforgettable performances, dazzling choreography, and heart-stirring music. If you're planning to catch a show, book tickets in advance or visit the TKTS booth in Times Square for same-day discounts. Broadway isn't just entertainment. It's a night out that stays with you long after the final curtain closes. Finally, there's no better way to end your NYC adventure than with a river cruise. Watching the city's skyline from the water, especially at sunset, is a truly magical experience. As the sun dips below the horizon, the city lights begin to twinkle, casting reflections on the Hudson or East River. Many cruises even take you close to the Statue of Liberty, offering a unique perspective of this iconic landmark. Whether you're enjoying a casual ferry ride or a luxurious dinner cruise, this is the perfect way to reflect on your time in NYC. It's a moment to soak it all in, the energy, beauty, and magic of this extraordinary city. New York City is a destination like no other, a place where dreams come alive and memories are made. From soaring sights to tranquil escapes, from cultural gems to moments of reflection, the Big Apple offers something for everyone. As you fill out your bucket list and plan your NYC adventure, remember that this city is all about experiences, big and small, that stay with you forever. So, are you ready to make the leap? Because New York is waiting to take your breath away. The city that never sleeps has endless stories to tell. Come, be part of the magic. Your adventure starts now.